For decades, they were just a dream, or a nightmare, of science fiction. Clunky, unreliable, barely capable of walking, let alone working. But something has fundamentally changed. The robots are no longer just coming. They're here. And they're ready to do a whole lot more than just walk. In the blink of an eye, humanoid robots have leaped from clumsy prototypes to capable, increasingly intelligent machines. But what does this really mean for us? Are they about to usher in a new era of productivity? Or are our jobs, our industries, and even our daily lives about to be fundamentally reshaped? Forever? So why now? What sparked this sudden explosion in humanoid capability? It's not one thing, but a perfect storm of technological convergence. First, artificial intelligence, specifically advanced machine learning and neural networks. Robots aren't just programmed for specific tasks anymore, they're learning. They're learning from vast datasets, from human demonstrations, and even from trial and error in simulated environments. This allows them to adapt to unstructured, unpredictable real-world scenarios. Second, advanced sensors. LiDAR, high-resolution cameras, haptic feedback. These give robots an unprecedented understanding of their surroundings, far beyond what early industrial robots had. Third, better hardware. More powerful and efficient motors, actuators, lighter materials, and longer-lasting batteries mean robots can move more gracefully, precisely, and for longer periods. And finally, data. The sheer amount of data available to train these AI systems is fueling their rapid progression. This isn't just about robots anymore. It's about intelligent mobile agents that can operate in our world. So, who are the titans leading this charge? You've probably heard of some, but others are quietly making monumental strides. Tesla's Optimus, Elon Musk's ambitious vision. While initially met with skepticism, recent demonstrations show Optimus performing increasingly complex tasks, aiming for mass production and affordability. The idea? A general-purpose humanoid assistant for factories, homes, and beyond. Then there's Figure AI. Their robot, Figure01, recently went viral with its human-like interaction. Their partnership with OpenAI is particularly interesting, giving Figure01 advanced conversational AI and the ability to describe its actions and intentions. This isn't just a robot, it's a robot that can explain itself. And don't forget 1X Technologies, also backed by OpenAI. Their Neo robots are designed specifically for the mundane, repetitive tasks, patrolling, logistics, retail support. They're less about flashy parkour and more about practical, immediate deployment in existing human environments. Of course, there's also Boston Dynamics, the trailblazers who showed us what robots could do with their athletic Atlas bot. While Atlas is more of a research platform, their commercial Stretch robot is already transforming warehouses. Each company has a slightly different philosophy, but the goal is largely the same. Create a versatile machine that can mimic human actions and intelligence in our world. The million-dollar question, what about our jobs? It's natural to feel apprehensive. The truth is, some jobs will be impacted first, but it's not always as straightforward as you might think. Manufacturing and logistics. This is the low-hanging fruit. Repetitive, physically demanding, and often dangerous tasks in factories and warehouses are prime targets. Picking and packing, moving materials, assembly lines. Humanoids can do these 24/7 without breaks or injury. This isn't just about replacing jobs, but also filling jobs that many humans no longer want to do. Retail and hospitality. Imagine a robot stocking shelves, cleaning floors, or even delivering food in a restaurant. These are roles where humanoids can augment existing staff, especially during peak hours or in labor-short environments. Elder care and support. This is a more complex and ethically charged area, but the potential is immense. Humanoids could assist with mobility, remind patients about medication, and even offer companionship for isolated individuals, working alongside human caregivers. Hazardous environments. Think nuclear decommissioning, disaster relief, deep-sea exploration, or even space construction. Places too dangerous or inaccessible for humans are perfect for advanced humanoids. It's not about making humans obsolete, but about taking on the dull, dirty, and dangerous tasks, freeing humans for more creative, strategic, and empathetic roles. This is the argument often made by robot developers. But it's not all about job displacement. This revolution also brings with it a wave of new opportunities and potential societal benefits. New industries and jobs. Designing, building, maintaining, programming, and ethically integrating these robots will create entirely new sectors and millions of new jobs. Think robot whisperers or AI ethicists. Increased productivity and economic growth. If robots handle the repetitive tasks, human productivity can soar. This could lead to cheaper goods, new services, and overall economic expansion, potentially raising living standards. Solving labor shortages. Many industries face critical labor shortages. Humanoids could fill these gaps, keeping essential services running and economies stable. Enhanced quality of life. Imagine fewer people performing dangerous jobs, more leisure time due to increased efficiency, and robots assisting with household chores. This could fundamentally change our relationship with work and free up human potential for higher pursuits. The key is adaptation and proactive planning. We need to focus on reskilling and education to prepare for this shift, rather than resisting the inevitable. Of course, no technological revolution comes without its challenges, and humanoids bring some profound ones. Ethical concerns. What happens when robots become too human-like? How do we ensure they operate safely and ethically? What are the implications for social interaction and human connection? The uncanny valley effect is real, and it raises questions about our comfort levels. Job displacement and economic inequality. While new jobs will emerge, the transition won't be seamless. There's a real risk of significant job losses in certain sectors, leading to increased economic inequality, if not managed carefully through policies like universal basic income or retraining programs. Security and control. As robots become more autonomous and interconnected, how do we prevent misuse? What happens if a system is hacked, or if an AI makes a decision that has unforeseen negative consequences? These aren't easy questions, and society needs to start grappling with them now, as these machines rapidly develop. Humanoid robots are no longer a distant sci-fi fantasy. They are a rapidly emerging reality that will fundamentally reshape our world. The question isn't if they're coming, but how we choose to integrate them. Will they be partners in progress, freeing us from drudgery and unlocking new human potential? Or will they exacerbate existing societal challenges? The answer lies in the choices we make today, as engineers, policymakers, and as individuals. What do you think? Are you excited or nervous about the rise of humanoids? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please give it a like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of science and technology.